Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen fog light bulbs on one of America's favorite family haulers, the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, installing our SLF LED fog light bulbs is simple, straightforward, and can be done at home in your garage. Let's get started. Now you can see here that we've removed 2 rivets from the fender well. We don't actually recommend removing these as these are one-time use. So if you remove them to install your fog light bulbs, you're going to have to buy replacements. The reason we did it today is simply to get a better camera angle to allow you to see the installation better. Typically, you'll actually reach up under the fender liner and remove your factory fog light bulb that way. Again, you don't have to remove the rivets like we did here today. It's just for the sake of the video. Now, this is a factory H11 bulb, so there's going to be 2 tabs, one on either side of the bulb. You're going to have to spread those apart to remove the factory harness. All right, so once you've disconnected the harness, turn the factory bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Then we'll take our H11 size SLF LED replacement, insert it into the factory housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. Then with our bulb secured, we can reconnect that factory harness. Now press down firmly until you get it to click and secure those 2 side tabs. Then repeat the same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With our SLF LED fog light bulbs installed, you can see we have a clean, modern look for our Grand Cherokee, as well as a big upgrade in visibility at night. For more information on the SLF, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.